In this moment to meet you, Mr. President, not only because you represent a great country, but you leadership too. And we've been longing to be a part also of this party distance. We've been longing to be a part of Europe, especially in the commerce and trade around the world. But there was one thing that really stood before us, and that was the result of the Cold War. And historically evident, identified with the Western world. It was good until it lasted, and of late, I see a lot of these Western nations pulling the small nations. And not only that, they are into so much hypocrisy. And they seem to start a war but are afraid to go to war. That is what's wrong with America and the other. They're waging war in so many places. In Vietnam, Afghanistan, and in Iraq. And for one single reason that there was a weapon of mass destruction, and there was none.
Уважаемый господин президент, добрый день. Я очень ждал того момента сегодняшнего дня, когда смогу с вами познакомиться, не только потому, что вы представляете великую страну, но и для ваших личных лидерских качеств. Дело в том, что наша страна Филиппины относила себя всегда к западному миру, и мы хотели быть частью этого западного мира, Европы, развивать торговлю, партнерство со всем миром. К сожалению, была холодная война, в результате произошло разделение, хотя исторически мы себя относим цивилизационно всегда к западному миру. Но что касается недавнего времени, последнего периода исторического, то мы можем видеть, что западные нации...
Sabi ng Russia, we will protect you. And the problema, ang Russia withdrew from the International Court, Criminal Court. What could be the reason, I really do not know. Maybe to protect what they are doing in Syria, the incessant bombing and the killing of civilians. Yan ang leksyon ng UN. UN is dominated by the US. At saka yung climate change. We were debating that particular issue with the rest of the cabinet for about an hour. Ang akin kasi, there is no sanction for a violation. Yung money na 200 billion na pinagyayabang nila would come from the industrialized countries. Here comes the Obama says, Putya, bakit ako magasto sa mga... dapat you should worry of your own problems. Do not let America spend for you. And second is the absence of a sanction. And the treaty is binding. But if you choose to ignore, there is no sanction. Nobody goes to prison. Does not even, it says that you'll be reprimanded. Wala. Nothing. And the money, sabi manggaling sa industrialized countries. Wala namang sinabi kung sino. Kaya si Trump, so hindi ako gagastos ng problema ninyo. You want to improve your climate there, above your sky, do it yourself. Bakit kami? So sinabayan ng maybe, sabi niya, wala inutil yung international criminal. Nag-withdraw sila sa membership. I might follow. Why? Tayo lang ang liit ng binumbog na mga walang hiya. Napatayan, it's by the thousands, bombing children, women. For 5 years now, Aleppo, Mosul, walang pahinga ang mga tao doon sa bombing. And they have come to terms by just saying, it's the will of Allah. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Now you know. Sinadya ako talaga yan. If you ask anybody from Davao, hindi naman ako ganun. Pag mag-bullshit ako ng leader, kasi hindi sila nakikinig. Everybody was going back and forth every day on the same issue of extrajudicial killing. They didn't listen to me. I tried to explain that hindi amin yan. Meron nung ayaw makinig. Kaya di sinabi ko, putang ina yung mga hindot kayo. Oh, kinig sila sa akin. Sino ito nagmumura? O ako, bakit? See? Kabastusan nila yan, di akin. They forced me into it. Ngayon nagmura ako, talagang binastos ko, binaboy ko sila. Oh. Maghilog, wala na. Tarantado ang... You know, if China and Russia would decide to create a new order, I will be the first to join. Alis ako dyan sa... There used to be the League of Nations before. It was in Hague, something. Itong predecessor ng United Nations. It used to be called League of Nations. Nothing happened. There's still war. United Nations, walang nagawa. Series of war. Vietnam, Taliban, ngayon dito. The killing is endless. The mouth is fluttering. Kaya yan ang leksyon natin. Just because it is America, it does not mean that it is good. Then, lahat naman, just because it comes from Russia or China, it is an ex-cathedra thing for us to mag-amin, amin. But I will be guided only by the best interest of the people. I don't know kung anong pag-usapan namin dito. Pero pag nagkamali na naman silang gusto nilang makaisa, dito na, practice na ako kagabi. Makatikim talaga sila sa akin. And I will lecture on them the finer points of civilization. Huwag niyo suluhin yung ano. Kayo lang parang tigas eh. Kayo lang, you threaten us as if we are your laborers. Sabi, pakulong ako. Ano? Pakulong. Isama ko kayong lahat. That's the lesson. I was reading it because nakuha niya eh. Nakuha niya yung laro ko. Pero nung una, lahat sa cabinet, they were silent, ganun sila lahat. Sonny said that, you know, you're the most unpopular leader in Europe. Sabi ko, never mind, son. I'm the president of the Philippines. I'm not their president. I don't care. I don't give a shit. Basta ako dito. O ngayon, kaibigan ko na ang China. Now here comes sasabi ko, here comes an ex-general. Walang sekreto, basta sila. I have an appointment to talk to him. The theme of our talk, to reset relations. Suluhin mo. Thank you.
Once again.